AI isn't just for education and business, it is penetrating every corner of our day-to-day lives, and free time is no exception. In this video, I'm going to review AI creators and show you how you can make money by leveraging the power of AI. Let's break down the ways AI creators can help you generate passive income in 2025. This video explains what AI creators are, it highlights their potential while introducing Imagine Education, a course designed to teach creators how to build and grow successful AI-driven content businesses on platforms like Fanvue. It's going to be a fun video, so sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Without further ado, let's get
rolling.
Take a look at Aitana Lopez. This character doesn't exist in the real world. It is an AI influencer. And yeah, despite people knowing it's AI, the fan base is growing. It seems people don't mind idolizing artificially intelligent, digitally generated characters. You can create an entire personal brand out of thin air, which is exactly the point of this video. Right now, there are hundreds of AI models taking over social media. They're so lifelike that it's nearly impossible to tell them apart from real people. Some TikToks and Instagram Reels look indistinguishable from the content you'd expect from real creators today. But today, I want to focus on creator subscription platforms. What are these? In simple terms, creator subscription platforms allow creators and fans to connect in ways that aren't possible on mainstream social media. Think platforms like OnlyFans, Patreon, and Fanvue. On these platforms, fans pay a small fee to subscribe to a creator, gaining access to exclusive content. This exclusivity often includes perks like direct messaging, unique merchandise, or even one-on-one live sessions. Here is what's changing in 2025. AI creators are becoming as popular as regular creators. If you've ever thought, I don't have the looks or voice for this, don't worry, AI can fix all that. With diligence, you could be making serious money on these platforms, and your looks are not important. You could literally be a 40-year-old guy in your mama's basement and still take advantage of this opportunity, just like anyone else with an internet connection. Why Fanvue is leading the AI creator space. While OnlyFans is the leading subscription platform, it doesn't allow AI-generated creator content, but one platform does, Fanvue. Fanvue is actively embracing AI creators, which is a game changer. And again, it doesn't matter if you're that 40-year-old guy. Anyone can jump into this space and potentially generate passive income. Creating an AI creator is a whole topic in itself, one I could make an entire video about, and let me know in the comment section if you're interested. But for now, I'll summarize the process. This brings me to the sponsor of today's video, Imagine Education. Imagine Education is an all-in-one course that guides you through every step of building an AI creator. It's beginner friendly and you don't need prior skills or extensive work to get started. Of course, the more effort you put in, the more you'll earn. The course covers how to make your first AI model, what makes a good AI model, setting up your Fanvue account, populating your profile with content, marketing strategies to sell to an audience. Right now, they're offering an 85% discount from $47 to just $7. The link is in the description. Now, back to the video. Platforms and tool for creating AI models. To create an AI model, you can use tools like Genfluence. This platform allows you to generate images based on text prompts, perfecting the likeness of your AI character. And once you're satisfied, you can save that character and use it consistently in the future, in future creations. Build a personal brand page modeled after successful profiles and use it as a funnel to your subscription platform like Fanvue. Start with affordable subscription rates to attract subscribers and upsell through pay-to-view content as you grow. Now let's talk about growing your AI creator. How do you market and grow your AI creator? Let's talk strategies. Shout out for shout out. Collaborate with similar creators for mutual promotions. 2. Post consistently on Instagram and Twitter with attention-grabbing captions. 3. Follow accounts your target audience is already engaging with. Create memes featuring your AI creator and pay meme pages to post them. Don't forget to tag your account. And let's not forget TikTok. It's huge in 2025. You can create AI-driven TikToks featuring dances or trends, leveraging generative AI to go viral. When you dive into AI models, it's clear that they're a fantastic way to earn money in 2025. Don't miss the chance to try Imagine Education while it's 85% off. Check the top link in the description and let me know in the comment section, should I create my own AI creator, document the process, and see how much money it generates. Leave your comments in the comment section. I'm done for today. I will talk to you soon. Ivan KV.